gotta put it in your brain, okay? So you don't forget. Then you go around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yeah. When you go 1, 2, now again. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. I tried on the right foot. 1, 2, 3. There's just one finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There's 3 of them.
That's okay.
Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Out, in, out, in, down, out, in, up. 3, step. Go out here. 1, heel, 2, heel, 3, heel, 4.
She changed it again.
Let's do 4 things.
I'm like, oh, wait,
Are
wait.
you gonna step, toe, or
Yes.
is that what you want?
That's what she's been doing.
Yeah. Swing your arms really big like a rock star. 1, toe, 2, toe. Like that. Both or toe. 1. Now do cutesy hands right here. 1, 2, 3. Come on, heel. Throw it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta smash it.
Yeah. Oh, no. Heels. Heels. Yeah, we gotta do heel too. Heel. Heel. Heel.
Okay, don't look at your feet and be cutesy. Cutesy. Okay. No, no. The arms swing on your step toe.
Yeah, just
Right
here.
here. Here's your arms. Your arms are just swinging along when you come out, and then just keep your arms swinging for your toes. At the beginning. Look, the beginning. Swing your arms for the toes. Right here. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put them here. 1 and 2 and 3 and down. Shuffle ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Out and
Out, jump, and then make, can you make your legs go way out, a little bit out more? And don't scrape, you gotta jump your feet
yeah,
out.
you gotta jump down too. You can't lay